Okay, before we start the real Lecture 28, I wanted to make a separate video just to talk about the final, because you have a test coming up soon. We are now in week 15. There are 17 total weeks of classes, and then the final week, week 18, is your final. So I'm about to release this final info page and the extra credit assignment page as well. So let's talk about the final. So I am going to make it available within a range as usual. It's going to be from 2:30 p.m. on the 16th of May. That's the Monday of finals week. The 16th is a Monday. And I'll have that test available until 8:30 p.m. on May 17th. So that's the Tuesday. So this is going to be a final, so we get a little extra time than a normal class time. It'll be 2 hours long. So I'll give you 2 hours to take the test once you click start. And actually, if you go and look at the syllabus, the final is worth the same as a midterm. So I'm not going to make it any harder than a midterm. I'll actually make it the same kind of length as a normal midterm. You'll just have like an extra 30 minutes for fun if you need it. Okay, so you're welcome there. And so because it's worth the same as a midterm, I'm not going to make it cumulative. Okay, the final, I will choose the topics for it from the stuff that I have not yet tested you on. Okay, so these chapters, these homeworks, and these lectures. Same format to midterm 2, and here is a sample exam. So please yell at me if you have any questions about the final, but that is what's going to happen with it. Okay, it's a 2-hour final, but it's just going to be on these topics. All right, so you should have a lot of extra time to check your answers. So that's the final, and I also want to release an extra credit assignment to go along with it. So this will be due, because the final comes out on Monday, this will be due on the Sunday right before finals happen. So midnight on the 15th is when this will be due if you want to do it. And this is like the final extra credit assignment, literally the last one, right? So I'll make it worth up to 5% extra credit this time. And the rules are the same as before though. So make some nice cool examples of topics that might appear on the exam and give some nice demonstrations, pretend that you're me. You can do the same amounts of extra credit as existed before for the previous extra credit assignments, but now for this one, I am letting you get 5% extra credit if you want to make a very long video, okay, that goes into a lot of depth on a bunch of different topics perhaps. Okay, so whatever you'd like to do, pick your poison and let me know if you have any questions. So this is just another one of those extra credit assignments, same as before, you just have an option of making a longer video for more extra credit if you need it. So that is your extra credit assignment, and I think that's everything that I wanted to talk about. So those two things will be made available in the week 18 module. Please yell at me if I accidentally forgot to publish these pages on Canvas for you to see. And yeah, that is your final info stuff. And now I will get you ready for this lecture. Let's actually do the lecture 28 now, okay? So I'll see you in there.